Welcome. Today, we'll dive into Dell Boomi, a leading cloud-based platform. I'll explain how it connects applications effortlessly and why it's a game changer for businesses. It's scalable, user-friendly, and adaptable to various needs. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll see why it's worth the buzz. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Dell Boomi is your go-to for streamlining operations and managing data. Imagine workflows becoming simpler and systems syncing effortlessly. Sounds magical, right? And it's all happening in real time. Stick around. I promise to make this tech wizardry easy to grasp. Sequence order is like a recipe. You need steps in the right order for a perfect outcome. I'll walk you through how Boomi organizes tasks to avoid errors and maximize efficiency. It's all about keeping things systematic and smooth. No unnecessary chaos. Here's the deal. Sequence order is what keeps the Boomi magic from turning into a mess. It prevents errors, optimizes performance, and makes data handling a breeze. Imagine it as the conductor of a flawless orchestra. It's vital, and I'll tell you why. Setting up components is like building a puzzle. You find the pieces and make sure they fit. I'll guide you on arranging and testing each piece for functionality and compatibility. Let's make this puzzle picture perfect. Connectors are like bridges. They connect your systems and make data flow smoothly. I'll show you how to choose the right type, set parameters, and test them. Ready to build some strong bridges? Let's go. Process properties are like rules for a game. They set objectives, criteria, and handle hiccups. I'll break down how to define them effectively, so your workflows run like a well-oiled machine, ready to draft the rules together. The message shape is Boomi's way of keeping data in line. It structures, organizes, and processes it efficiently. I'll share how this shape works to meet unique needs. Think of it as tailoring a suit for your data. Perfect fit guaranteed. Sequence numbers are like seat numbers at an event. They ensure everyone's in the right place. I'll explain how these numbers help Boomi execute steps correctly and maintain order. Ready to reserve your seats? Let's get started. All right, let's talk about document flow. Think of it as directing traffic. Without a good system, chaos ensues. A logical sequence keeps things in order. Automation saves your sanity. Metadata helps you find things in seconds, and monitoring keeps the whole thing running smoothly. Imagine finding your files as easily as finding your phone when it's not on silent. Testing sequence order is like taste testing a dish before serving it. Nobody wants a disaster on their plate. Test cases ensure logic works. Consistency keeps errors at bay. Stress tests check endurance, and feedback refines the final product. Because nothing should break under pressure, except maybe a piñata at a party. Troubleshooting, everyone's least favorite pastime. Spot bottlenecks before they become roadblocks. Fix sequencing errors before they wreck your workflow. Resolve integration conflicts before they turn into tech drama. And use debugging tools to save time. Think of it as fixing leaks before your whole boat sinks. Performance optimization is like getting a sports car to run at peak speed. Cut out unnecessary steps. Use caching for turbo boosts. Allocate resources wisely. And always keep your configurations up to date. Because slow performance is as frustrating as a buffering video. No one has time for that. Real-life examples make things real. Case studies show success. Challenges make lessons stick. Efficiency gains prove why optimization matters. And business impact seals the deal. It's like hearing a friend's success story. It inspires, informs, and gets you thinking. Best practices are the secret sauce to success. Industry standards keep you on track. Automation saves time. Documentation prevents confusion. And refining strategies ensures ongoing improvement. Because no one wants to be stuck in the past, unless it's for a nostalgia trip, and that's a wrap. We covered everything from handling document flow to best practices. Efficiency is key. Learning never stops, and there's always room for improvement. Keep exploring, keep optimizing, and remember, mastering sequences is like mastering a skill. Practice makes perfect. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.